Did you know that remembering a person's name signals respect? Yes, it does. This is why if you want a person to feel seen, you want to call the person by his name. Now, why then is forgetting a person's name very common? Meeting a person with his unique attributes and the circumstances that lead to that interaction is very likely to be a unique one. And so, if a person, you as a person, you're not intentional in storing the person's name, you're most likely not going to remember such a thing. Remember, information storage is linked for you to be able to store things properly that will allow recall. You have to link it to your existing knowledge, what you already have in your memory. Now, most times we do such things passively, especially someone you're meeting for the first time. Here are a few things you can do to be able to remember a person's name. First is when you ask for a person's name, you want to repeat the person's name, say 2 to 3 times, but you don't want to go like, oh, Amina, no. You want to strategically repeat, say out the name loud. Example is, oh, Amina, it's nice to meet you. That is one instance. Another instance is, what would have made Amina go into educational psychology? More like you're asking me, but using my name. Oh, another instance can be, oh, Amina, I would love to meet you again. You're saying the name out loud, but in the conversation. This is one thing that will allow you remember or recall a person's name in the near future. The second thing you can do is in between those conversations, you want to link something you know that is unique to me. You want to go into your memory, but you don't want to be so consumed because that can be another thing for forgetting. If you involve in internal dialogue within that time, within that space, you're most likely to forget. So what you want to do is you want to remember something you know, and then link it to this person. Say, oh, all right, I have a sister that is Amina, and Amina as a psychologist. You want to link something you remember, something you already know to this person. This allows remembering, but like I have mentioned earlier, you want to do this carefully because this can be another recipe for forgetting. Yes, you wanting to remember something in while the conversation is on or while all of this is happening. So you want to be intentional, but very popular is calling out the names out loud, the person's name out loud 2 or 3 times during the conversation. I hope this helps.